In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect DuckDuckGo email. By the end, you'll have a privacy-friendly @duck.com address set up and know how to use it to keep trackers out of your inbox. First, open the DuckDuckGo email protection page in your browser. This is the official hub for their email forwarding service, which strips hidden trackers from messages before they land in your regular inbox. You don't need to switch email providers. You're simply adding a protective layer between websites and your real address. Next, sign into your DuckDuckGo account. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate securely. Once you're in, you'll see the option to turn on email protection. Enable it. This activates the service and prepares your account to create and manage privacy-protected addresses. Now, create your @duck.com email address. Choose something simple and memorable, because this will be the primary address you share when you don't want to reveal your real inbox. Think of it as your public-facing alias that DuckDuckGo will protect. You'll be asked where to forward messages. Enter your main email inbox so messages arrive where you already check mail every day. If you're prompted to verify, open your inbox, find the confirmation message, and complete the verification so forwarding works reliably. Consider adding the DuckDuckGo sender to your contacts to prevent these messages from landing in spam. From here on, use your @duck.com address whenever you sign up for websites, newsletters, or offers. This helps mask your real address and removes tracking pixels and links before messages are delivered. It's a simple habit shift that can dramatically reduce profiling and spam over time. For extra protection, enable the private email address feature. This generates random, unique addresses you can use for individual sites. It's great when you want a one-off address for a free trial or a store you're unsure about. If a random address starts getting unwanted messages, you can disable it without affecting your main @duck.com alias. Keep an eye on the tracker removal report available in your email settings and often summarized in the forwarded messages you receive. It shows which trackers were stripped, giving you insight into which senders try to follow you around the web. If unwanted messages slip through, use the block option provided in your email protection settings or in the forwarded message controls. Blocking cuts off that sender at the DuckDuckGo layer, so those emails stop before they reach your inbox. Finally, make a habit of using your @duck.com address instead of your real one whenever possible. Consistency is key to keeping your primary address private and your inbox cleaner over the long term.